Okay, testing 1, 2, 3, May 1st, 2020. It's almost 10 a.m. Glare detective here. Here's the recycling coming by. And then you see the glare from all of the LED in the sky and the solar simulators and the satellites and the lasers on heliports. And there's a lot of glare here today. Well, every day. Just unbearable. Every crack. So I wear these welding goggles. It really helps. It protects against UV, a lot of it, up to 340 nanometers or something like that. You see that? And these are not for high intensity. Oh, look, you can see the solar simulator. Oh, it's 2 of them. Wow. Yeah, that's interesting. Because this is to protect the eyes against light welding, and it gives all kinds of disclaimers, and really does help a lot with the UV, not maybe so much the IR, infrared, but this, terrible, terrible glare. Look, you see those just right through, reflecting. It's just so blue. And then you shut it, and then it's pink. And then you open it, and it's blue. Blue glare, pure blue glare. All right, it's May 1st, 2020. Over and out.